What's going on, guys? So no intros, no anything. I figured we gonna go ahead and do a channel update and what I've been doing recently. So I haven't posted anything in about a week, mainly is because I really didn't want to do another video without finally releasing the full course, because I know many of you have been waiting patiently for a very long time, and I didn't want to come in, week in and week out, constantly posting other things when this is what people are clearly waiting for. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a little glimpse of what's going on, and then we're going to talk about the schedule and what's going to happen. So do I look tired? Anyways, this is a little bit of the back end and the curriculum. So I've been writing like miles and miles of text, right? Just constantly, creating the script and stuff. You can see that like on the side, basically, I have different statuses on all of my scripts to go from, drafts to finally a polished version of the script. So far, you can see like there's only 2 check marks, which means only 2 of the classes are fully filmed and ready to go, right? But the thing is that I didn't want to just release it, one at a time, so that it's kind of like a teaser after another or something. I figured, it should be a lot more like something that you could binge all at once, right? So we'll release it as if it's like Stranger Things or something. Anyways, yeah, so I'll give you a little glimpse of the whiteboard right now. There is so much graphs and data and information to go over. I already know that if you attempt to sit through all of it in one sitting, it's definitely going to be information overload. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick update of that. Everything is in the works and it's coming. I think this weekend I'm gonna spend the whole weekend trying to bang this all out. So we'll see how that goes. This will be the first iteration of the whole course. I'm thinking possibly maybe a couple of days after the course, or maybe a week after the course, we'll do a live Q&A section if you guys are interested in doing that. It's been so long since I've turned on my channel again. I actually don't even remember how to go live anymore. So I think I got to fiddle with that a little bit. If anybody wants to shoot me an email to help me out, that would be really great, because I really don't remember how to go live. But my point is that if we have the live Q&A session, then I'll openly answer any questions about the curriculum and the fundamentals of things. I'm also willing to openly, debate anybody who has questions or who has a contrarian stance to exactly what I'm talking about. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to leave you that with a short video and just explain that the reason I haven't been posting for a little bit right now is because I am diligently working on this, because this is exactly what everybody is waiting for. So it's going to be 7 videos total. So 6 core classes with a preface video. And I do highly encourage that everybody watches the preface video first, so that you know what to expect for the whole curriculum. And when you do watch the course, do your best to try to watch it in succession, because the whole thing was designed that way. Anyways, you can see I'm super tired and I'm almost losing my voice, but yeah, that's the channel update for you guys. So any questions or comments or whatever, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer it as we go along. But just wanted to, not leave you guys hanging on this. Okay. All right. Take care, everyone.